Hello my friends and welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen. Well, today I am going to share with you one of my favorite recipes for this season. It's a soup. You know, when I developed this soup for my Concierge Caliente Kitchen clients' meal services, every single client was texting me, "Wow, what have you done?" Well, because it has such a positive impact, I decided to share it with you. So we're making today my roasted creamy carrots and tomato soup. Are you ready? Let's get cooking. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. The veggies that I'm using are carrots, tomatoes, red bell pepper, onions, and garlic. These roasted veggies will bring all the natural sweetness and vibrant colors to our soup. Arrange the veggies on a large baking sheet. Drizzle with olive oil. Toss everything well to ensure the vegetables are evenly coated. Roast the vegetables in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until the carrots and peppers are tender and slightly caramelized. The tomatoes should be soft and juicy, adding a rich depth to the soup. Let the roasted vegetables cool slightly and then transfer them into a high-power blender or food processor, adding about 2 cups of chicken broth. Now it's time for our secret ingredient, cottage cheese. And instead of using heavy cream or coconut milk, I am adding cottage cheese for a boost of protein and extra creamy texture. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Pour the blended soup into a large pot. Look at that color, looks gorgeous. Add the remaining chicken broth and the spices turmeric, cumin, and paprika for extra antioxidants. And let's not forget the lemon juice. Stir well to combine. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to allow all the flavors to melt together. Ladle the soup into bowls. Add a spoonful of plain Greek yogurt on top for extra creaminess. Garnish with seeds and fresh parsley. And now, my friends, the best part, the taste. Let's see how this tastes. Wow, perfecto. I highly recommend you make this soup. You are going to simply love it. And again, please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next nutrition topic and healthy recipes. Thank you for watching, and always remember, stop dieting, start living.